You watching the camera? Jeez, the other way around, the boys are giant. Is it? You're not going to be able to every 2 minutes. Okay? Probably not even that now. You're looking at the camera. Oh, there's a sign that says Moira, see?
Yes!
What? Oh, yeah, okay. And then we go in here, do we? Oh, we're here, baby. So we can just exit the sat nav because it's going to annoy me. There we go. We're here. Car park is currently locked, which is acceptable. Understandable.
Up again.
Up or done? Up and down. Oh, because we went over the bump. Okay.
Bump.
Yeah.
Bump.
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 So
Bump. Oh.
that's Confederacy by the look of it. This is possible Union. Ah, this is my camp here. You were talking about me.
I haven't just got here. Are we filming?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, do you want to say hello?
Hi.
As you can see, the rain has stopped a little bit. I've got no concept of time, so I think it's probably about 11 o'clock, if not just gone. They're the soldiers there, just marching through the woods. Me and Archie are just trying to keep up. Nice wooded area, like really secluded wooded area, basically. I'm going to go down here on the side. Should we go catch up? Come on then. Oh look, here they are. There's loads of little trails and things. There we are. This is the wooded area where we had our pictures taken last time we were here. So we're just gonna show you these bits here. And we've got the bridge log thing here. It's not the one I fell on. And if I remember to enter the clip from 2 years ago, I will enter it from where I fell into the water off a poxy little log.
I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit concerned starting off on this vlog because I slipped. That's nice.
Oh.
Oh! You alright? Can you grab my hand? Mother. Crikey.
Thank you.
Oh.
Did anyone want to slip in the tree? That was a good job last time. We had Sharpies last time. How can you see? He's been already. What? 6 minutes. Did anyone want to find a tree? There's a tree ahead of Sharpie last time. So who's got this? Andy Park Forest. And then Dave's here. Well, that's something that you can do that. I'll turn it off. Come here, quick.
Arms!
I don't know if you can quite see, but the Union and the Confederacy are marching together over the other side of the Furnace Museum, and we're going to go meet them at the other side, walking down the canal path. So let's go. Stop! 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 And then they are at the top. They're going to come down. Wait. Look. They're coming. There, look. Archie, come here. They're there, look. Stand here next to Mummy. Come and stand here. Uh-oh, get Mouse. Here you are. Hold that then.
No, but we've done Airbnb, haven't you? We always stay in the airport hotel, from the hotel to the park. Yeah. So we parked his car park, which is from the hotel and car park.
Look, they're coming.
Oh,
Archie.
you love the beach, don't you? Oh. That'll be nice.
March. March, look. Come on then, on the end, quick, stop. Come on, let's go.
5 miles left. Up. Left. Up.